In this example, we're going to do a pie or a donut chart. One thing we need to know before we start is that to be able to do a pie chart, we need to have either an ordinal or a nominal variable. So we are going to use an education variable. Again, we're going to use the hints dataset underscore classroom. That means that it's a subsample of the national dataset. And I'm going to look for education. And I actually want to use this one, Education A. What is the highest level of school you completed? And it has 4 levels. Because there's B that has 5 levels, but let's do 4 for now. Let's do descriptives first. Analysis, exploration, descriptives. And let's look for education, A. Because it's ordinal, we need to check frequency tables, and we can see we have the issue with missing data. So I'm going to go back to variables, double click here so this menu opens. I always go to variables so I don't have to scroll through the columns. Some of the data sets can be very large. So -7 and -9. Yeah, those are the values that are missing, and I need to code them as such. So I'm going to go here in missing values, double click, well, just one click in the box at missing values, so equals -9. Notice here my minimum is -9. Once I code it as missing data, it goes to the next minimum value, which is -7. So equals -7. And 1 is fine. I can live with 1 because 1 represents the first level, which is less than high school. So next we're going to do, we already did our frequency table. We just fixed the missing value, so we can just right click on this table, copy, and then we're going to paste it in a Google spreadsheet, or even Excel would work. So here I am in my Google spreadsheet. I really am only going to use this 2 columns. I don't need the cumulative percent for now. I just need the categories and the percentage of each. Then I go to insert chart, and the first thing it does, it's a bar chart because it's also an appropriate chart for a nominal variable, but that's not what I want. I'm going to go here and setup, and I'm going to look for pie. So I can do pie, I can do the donut, which I really like for some reason, or you can do the 3D pie if you want. Oh, 3D donut. Okay, cool. Let's see what happens if I do this and then I do this. Yeah, it stays as a pie. You can change the color. I just click on the section I want to change, and then it opens the menu, and I could just change it to whatever color I want. I think the labels here are pretty nice, like self-explanatory. The only thing I would change maybe is the title, like pie chart of education variable, or just education. That would be fine.